Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will be showing how you can fix the error. What is that error? First let us understand. The error is support for password authentication was removed on August 13, 2021. Why it is showing in the terminal and what's the reason? Because you are entering correct email ID and password, but still it is showing that kind of error. So to fix it, there are certain steps. After 2021 it has been changed, so which you need to follow. That is, first of all you need to open your GitHub account, and in there you have to create a token. Okay, so let me show you the complete process. First of all, you need to click on this icon, then you can click on the settings. Once you will click on the settings, you can scroll down. Here you can see developer setting is there, you have to click there. Once you click on that, this page will be opened, and then you can see here it is showing personal access token. So just click on find grain token, then click on generate a new token. Okay, so then it will ask you for authentication like details. You can use your password. I'm using my password to confirm it. Okay, so once I confirm my password, then it will show this kind of a hint which will ask certain question and you need to fill it. Okay, first of all, the token name, any name you can give to a token. It can be like you are generating the token for office purpose, you can write official token, or you can write, if you are generating for your regular use, you can write home, or any name you can give. Even your name also you can write. I'll write my channel name, web coder Abhishek. I have written, it is showing it is a valid name. Okay, then you need to select the expiration. So I will suggest that try to select at max longer range if it is required for many days. Okay, so I'll select for my ending date will be, I'll click on 2025, then August, and I may select this 4. So it will expire after 1 year. Okay, description you can add based on your requirement, but it is not mandatory. Then resource owner, who will be the owner, you can give the access to it, but you are generating the token. I would suggest like keep yourself as the owner. Then to which repository you need to give this access, you can click on all for all the repositories, or you can select a particular repository. Okay, so for that you need to click here, and this is the repository permission. Like all the repository have a lot of permission you need to allow. Here it will be no access, click on to read and write. Similarly here also click read and write. Everywhere you need to select read and write for this all the options. Okay, because you need to give you need to push your code or do any operations. So for all the operations, here are the operations written, and to which operation you need to give access, that you need to write it to like read and write. Okay, so after doing this, allowing the permission, there will be account permission, like what a user can have a permission to do. Okay, so that also you can have. And I would suggest, if you are doing it for yourself, write everything to read and write. Okay, and if you are giving this access to some person, then read this side and access, give the access based on the requirement. Okay, after writing all the permissions, then it will show this token will expire on this, and then you can click on the generate token. Okay, once you click on generate token, you can see my token is generated, which you can see right now I have hidden it some part because it is prior, like this token is required for me only. But here you can see you need to copy this token from here, and you need to paste it somewhere in your system so that you can use it whenever it asks for password. Instead of writing the password what your GitHub account have, you can use this token and it will work 100% assurity. I am giving you. You have to write your username, and instead of writing your password, you need to give this. Okay, so copy this password. Okay, and copy this password and store it in a safer place. So if this video is interesting, please like, share and subscribe my channel for this kind of cool video.